Hello guys, I just finished my French Cleat wall project and starting to organize my stuff on it. So this is the first project, clamp holder, clamp rack. In this video you see how I build it. I made 3D manual and will share a link to build plans in the video description. All build was from 3/4 plywood and I made all cuts on my table saw using this sled that you see on video right now. When all parts was prepared, I moved to drill press and drilled holes, pilot holes in every piece to avoid splitting when I will assemble my build. So I started to secure parts to each other with screws, and even that I drilled pilot holes before, I still have a small displacement of parts. So for the next build I will try to use nails and glue instead of screws to more perfect connection. So now you can see final result here, and it's came out nicely. It can hold up to 12 clamps for me, and it's 1 foot wide. So as I said before, I tried to put build plans to the link in the description of this video. Subscribe to my channel guys and set like for this video. It will be very appreciated. Thanks.